How to utilize Google Doc with OpenAI GPT-4 GPT 3.5 Turbo. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. Today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. How to utilize Google Docs with OpenAI's GPT-4 or GPT 3.5 Turbo. Without further ado, let's dive in. So let's go first to our Google Docs. Go to Google. Click on this 9 dots right here, hover down and click on Google Docs. So here, Google Docs is a popular online word processing tool, and let's go to OpenAI.com. And by the way, guys, OpenAI's GPT models are state-of-the-art language models capable of generating human-like text. By combining the power of Google Docs with the advanced language capabilities of GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 Turbo, you can enhance your writing experience, generate creative ideas, and improve your quality of your documents. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of utilizing Google Docs with OpenAI's GPT-4 3.5, including accessing the model, integrating it with Google Docs, and leveraging the power and capabilities to generate text. So here, click on the blank part right here. So once you're in this part, let's go to insert. So here on the insert, let's hover down and look for the right here. Let's look for extensions, click on add-ons. So here, let's wait for it to load. So here, GPT-4 for Google Sheets and Docs. There are lots of options right here. So we will gonna be using this GPT for Sheets and Docs. So once you click on this application, GPT-4 Sheets will appear. So click on install. Needs your permission in order to start installing. Hit continue. So let's click on continue. I think it's now loading, but let's repeat the process. Click on extensions. Click on add-ons. Wait for this to load. Click for this one. So as you can see here, ChatGPT and Google Sheets. So let's click on install, hit on continue. And now log in using your Gmail account. Allow this one. And let's wait for it to install. Click on next, click on done, and let's this one. So here you can see at the right part, GPT for Sheets or Google Docs is right here. So type your prompt here in the document. So let's try to create a prompt. So the first thing we want to do is create a formal documents. By the way, guys, just make sure that you've added or create a prompt that is more accurate and detailed so that you can have the best outcome that you're looking for. So for me, create a formal documents for medical proposal for cancer patients with headers and source from Google. So I think this one's right here. Set behavior. So for the behavior, let's try to type in journalist. Insert setting. So you don't want to use that. So here, click on submit document. So just click on this one. So I think it's not typing in. So let's try to change it. This one. And click on submit. Please set OpenAI API key extension menu GPT for Sheets and Docs. So here, this set OpenAI API key extensions menu. So let's go to menu, test menu, launch, and type in our menu right here, set API key. So enter your OpenAI API key if you have one, and then you can use it here. So for me, I don't have an API key yet. So let's make this happen and at least use it for free. See examples right here. So as you can see, you can change the write a custom prompt, change the tone, fix grammar and spelling, summarize. So let's try to summarize. You have to find a documents right here. So once you find your documents, you can copy paste it right here for summarize, and once you've summarized it, click on submit, and it will summarize now the documents or formats that you've added here in the Google Documents. That's how you add ChatGPT 3 to Google Documents, by adding here the extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and use it for your documents and sheets, and you can now integrate it by your likings. And we hope you found this tutorial on how to utilize Google Docs with OpenAI's GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 Turbo insightful and helpful. By combining the power of Google Docs and advanced language capabilities of GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 Turbo, you can enhance the writing process and create high-quality documents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.